Right students, today we will discuss about constant and inconsistency. Right. For non-homogeneous system. What are the non-homogeneous system? For non-homogeneous system. What are the non-homogeneous system? Ax equal to d. Ax equal to d. So for this system, we have consistent. First thing, what is the consistence means? Consistence means the system of equations have a solution. Either it may be a unique solution or it may be infinitely solution. Then the system of equations have a solution, then it is consistent. Consistence means it has a solution. It has a solution. What are the solution? Consistent. Rank A equal to rank AD. Rank A equal to rank AD. Then the system is consistent. And the second one, inconsistent. Inconsistent. What are inconsistent? It has no solution. It has no solution. If it has no solution, what is that means? Rank A is not equal to rank AD. Rank A is not equal to rank AD. So it has no solution. Right. If it has a solution, then the solutions may be unique or infinitely many. When it has infinitely many or unique, rank A equal to rank AD equal to 3. Unique solution. 3 means generally they will give the 3 by 3. That means 3 equations and 3 unknowns. A1x plus B1y plus C1z equal to D1. X, Y, Z are the unknowns. That for the 3 unique solution. And if it is less than 3, infinite number of solutions. Less than 3, infinite number of solutions. And observe that there is a unique solution or infinitely many solutions. And the system of equation has 2 solutions, 3 solutions. There is no such case. Understand that one? There is no such case. The system of equations have unique solution or it have infinitely many solutions. When it have unique, rank A equal to rank AD equal to 3. Rank A equal to rank AD less than 3. Infinite number of solutions. Rank A not equal to rank AD. No solution. Right. Now find the rank by using echelon form. Right. Whatever the echelon form, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the augmented matrix I am taking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 5, 6, 7, 0, 0, 0, 0. What is the rank of the matrix? Actually, this is the augmented matrix. AD up to here. This is the A matrix and including with that AD augmented matrix. By echelon form, the number of non-zero rows. What is the zero row means? This row is completely zero. So it is the zero row. These two are the non-zero rows. Zero row means if all the elements in a row is row are zero, then that is the zero row. What are the number of non-zero rows in this case? 2. Number of non-zero rows are 2. Then what is the rank equal to? 2. That is by using echelon form. Rank of this matrix is 2. Right. Okay. Rank of this matrix is 2. Can you say what is the division between rank A and rank AD? I close the last column. What is the rank of A? Now see the 3 by 3 matrix. Rank of A is 2 and rank of AD is 2. Rank A equal to 2. Rank A equal to 2. Rank AD is also 2. What is that means? Rank A equal to rank AD. Rank A equal to rank AD. That is the less than 3. So this system of equations have infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions. Right. Now see this matrix AD equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, 5, 6, 0, 0, 0, 5 6 0 5 6 7 8 9. What are this matrix? What are the number of non-zero rows? Number of non-zero rows are 3. Now close the last column. What is the rank of 3 by 3 matrix? 3. The rank of the full matrix also 3. And if rank A is 3, automatically rank of AD is also 3. What are the rank A? How you get the rank A? Now close the last column. Rank A equal to 3. That equal to rank AD. Rank A equal to 3. That equal to rank AD. So unique solution. Unique solution. Now one more example. See this one. AD equal to 1 2 3 4 0 5 6 7 0 0 0 8. What are this one? What is the rank of full matrix? Number of non-zero rows. How many number of non-zero rows? 3. So rank of AD is the 3. But what is the rank of A? Now close the last column. What is the rank of A? 2. Rank A equal to 2. Rank A equal to 2. But what is the rank AD? Rank AD that equal to 3. Rank A not equal to rank AD. So the system of equation has no solution. That means whatever the system of equations they give, you apply the row operations. Then you convert into this form. By using echelon form, we decide the rank. Equal to rank AD. No solution. Whatever the problem they give, just use this thing. We will get the solution. Right, students, see this problem. The system of equations x plus y plus z equal to 2x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 5, 2x plus 3y plus a square minus 1 into z equal to a plus 1 has first option infinite many solutions for a equal to 4. Second, is inconsistent when mod a equal to root 3. Third one, is inconsistent when a equal to 4. Has unique solution for mod a equal to root 3. What are the problem they given? You just start with augmented matrix. This is the augmented matrix. 1 1 1 2. And the second one 2 3 2 5. And for the third one 2 3 a square minus 1. And next a plus 1. What do you do? R2 implies R2 minus R1. R2 implies R2 minus R1. R3 implies R3 minus R1. R2 minus 2R1. R3 implies R3 minus 2R1. What is this equal to? 1 1 1 2. 2 minus 2 0. 3 minus 2 1. 2 minus 2 0. 5 minus 4 1. What are this one? 2 minus 2 0. 3 minus 2 1. What is this one? A square minus 1 minus 2. A square minus 3. Next, what are this one? A plus 1 minus 4. That is the A minus 3. So this is the augmented matrix. Now R3 implies R3 minus R2. R3 implies R3 minus R2. R3 minus R2. What is the augmented matrix equal to? 1 1 1 2. 0 1 0 1. R3 minus R2. 0 minus 0 0. 1 minus 1 0. A square minus 3 minus 0. A square minus 3. A minus 3. A minus 3 minus 1. A minus 4. That is the A minus 4. Right. What will happen when this will be 0? This one is 0 and this one is not 0. If this is 0, this is not 0. What will happen? What will happen? This is 0. Then rank A equal to 2. This is also 0. Rank A equal to 2. Rank A equal to 2. This one is not 0. Then rank AD equal to 3. So inconsistent. When this will become 0, A square minus 3 equal to 0. A square equal to 3. Mod A equal to root 3. This one is 0. What will happen? This one is 0. Rank A equal to 2. And Put a equal to plus or minus root 3. Root 3 minus 4 not equal to 0. So this is 0 and this one is not 0. Rank A equal to 2, rank AD equal to 3. Therefore, the system is inconsistent when mod A equal to root 3. The system is inconsistent when mod A equal to root 3. Right students, see this problem. The system of linear equations x minus 4y plus 7z equal to g, 3y minus 5z equal to h, minus 2x plus 5y minus 9z equal to k is consistent when they given the condition. Is consistent means rank A equal to rank AD. Now consider the augmented matrix AD. This is the augmented matrix. What is the augmented matrix? 1 minus 4 7 G. This one 0 3 minus 5 H. This one minus 2 5 minus 9 K. This is the augmented matrix. So this is already 0, so no problem. Now R3 implies R3 plus 2R1. R3 implies R3 plus 2R1 minus 2 plus 2. First thing 1 minus 4 7G 0 3 minus 5 H minus 2 plus 2 0 0 5 5 minus 8 5 minus 8 minus 3 minus 9 plus 16 sorry minus 9 plus 14 14 minus 9 5. This one is K plus 2G K plus 2G. K plus 2G. Now for this one R3 implies R3 plus R2. R3 implies R3 plus R2. What about this one? 1 minus 4 7 5 7G 0 3 minus 5 H, and the last one R3 plus R2 0 plus 0 0 minus 3 plus 3 0 5 minus 5 0, and this one is K plus 2G plus H. K plus 2G plus H. Now see, for the system is consistent, rank A equal to rank AD. Rank A equal to rank AD. What is the rank A? Last row is 0, so rank A equal to 2. So that means rank AD is also 2. When rank AD is 2, then this whole thing will become 0. That means K plus 2G plus H equal to 0. Rank A equal to rank AD. Consistent. What is the constant? Rank A equal to rank AD. Rank A equal to rank AD. Already rank A is 2. So rank AD is also 2. That means this whole thing be 0. K plus 2G plus H equal to 0. Where is that one? K plus 2G plus H equal to 0. So this is the option. Right students, see this problem. The system of equations x plus y plus z equal to 5, x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 9, x plus 3y plus alpha z equal to beta has infinitely many solutions. Then beta minus alpha is has infinitely many solutions. That means rank A equal to rank AD less than 3. Right. What is the augmented matrix? AD equal to, what is the first equation? 1 1 1 5. Second equation 1 2 3 9. Third equation 1 3 alpha beta. This is the third equation. R2 implies R2 minus R1. R3 implies R3 minus R1. What is that equal to? 1 1 1 5. R2 minus R1 0. 2 minus 1 1. 3 minus 1 2. 9 minus 5 4. 1 minus 1 0. 3 minus 1 2. Alpha minus 1. And this one is the beta minus 5. Okay. Next one. Make this as also 0. R3 implies R3 minus 2 times R2. R3 implies R3 minus 2 R2. R3 minus 2 R2. What is that equal to? 1 1 1 5 0, 1, 2, 4, 0. R3 minus 2 R2, 2 minus 2, 0. Alpha 1 minus 4, alpha minus 5, beta minus 5 minus 8, beta minus 5 minus 8, beta minus 13, beta minus 13. This is the equation. Now the system of equation has infinitely many solutions. Rank A equal rank AD less than 3. That means the last four must all be zeros. All zeros. What is that implies? Alpha minus 5 equal to 0, comma, beta minus 13 equal to 0, alpha equal to 5, beta equal to 13. What they are asking now? Beta minus 5 alpha. That equal to 13 minus 5. What is the value? 8. That is the answer. Okay. So that is the answer. So the system of equation has infinitely many solutions means rank A equal to rank AD less than 3. Right, students? So now see this problem. In ordered pair alpha comma beta, for which the system of linear equations 1 plus alpha into x plus beta y plus z equal to 2, comma, alpha x plus 1 plus beta into y plus z equal to 3, comma, alpha x plus beta y plus 2z equal to 2 has a unique solution is the system of equations has a unique solution. That means rank A equal to rank AD equal to 3. What is the rank A equal to 3 means? Det A not equal to 0. If det A not equal to 0, so rank A equal to 3. So you can do the directly det A not equal to 0, or you can apply some operations. After that you can do. So let us apply some operations. What are the solution? The augmented matrix, or you can take only simply A also, no problem. Augmented matrix, or you can apply simply A also. So AD, so A1. What is the A matrix? 1 plus alpha, beta 1, alpha 1 plus beta 1, and this one is alpha beta 2. This is the A matrix only. Now R2 implies R2 minus R1, R3 implies R3 minus R1. What is that equal to? 1 plus alpha beta 1, R2 minus R1 minus 1, 1 plus beta minus beta 1, 1 minus 1 0, alpha minus this cancel minus 1, beta minus beta 0, 2 minus 1 1. Again apply one more operation. What is this one? R3 implies R3 minus R2. What is this one? 1 plus alpha beta 1 minus 1 1 0. What is the R3 minus R2? Minus 1 plus 1 0, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 0 1. Now find the det A. What is the det A? 1 plus alpha into 1 into 1 minus 0 minus beta into minus 1 into 1 minus 1 0 into 0 0 plus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 1 minus 0. What is this value? 1 plus alpha minus beta into minus 1 plus beta plus 1. What is this equal to? Alpha plus beta plus 2. For the system of equations have unique solutions. So this det A not equal to 0. Unique solution. Unique solution. When we get unique solution, rank A equal to 3. When rank A equal to 3, what is that implies? Det A is not equal to 0. Det A not equal to 0. So alpha plus beta plus 2 not equal to 0. Now check the options. 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus 2 0. Minus 3 plus 4. 4 minus 3 1. So this option is minus 3 comma 1. Minus 3 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 2. That is also 0. 2 plus 4. So this is the option. and this one is also 0. So that A not equal to 0. This is the answer. Right, students? So now you go through this video from starting to ending. Definitely you will get the good comment on the topic consistency and inconsistency. Right? Thank you.